the best thing companies can do is look, open the aperture, get creative. HR teams and hiring managers need to be on board and say, okay, look, we have a pot of money. We have a pot of money. How that pot of money gets spent, if you don't have relo, maybe you give up a sign-on bonus to cover somebody's equity that they're leaving on the table, right?
Yeah.
If you got a local candidate, maybe you give them a sign-on bonus because you're going to spend the money on relo anyway, right? You have a pot of money. You think about it. You open the aperture, and I think that's what it's all about now. Is that constant communication about what does the right person look like? What are we willing to work? What are we willing to do to get them? And how is it all going to look? But it ultimately comes down to the communication, making sure everybody's on board.
Yeah. And sometimes you have to increase the salary a little bit too.
Salary, experience, take an up and comer.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Whatever the job spec says, you make it plus or minus 20%, right?
Yeah. And then sometimes you have to hire that diva, that Odell Beckham too, Every company needs a diva, man,
Yeah, to an extent.
Sometimes you find a guy, and I tell my client, we got to go get this guy, man. Or we got to go get this gal, man. You have to have this person.
No.
Man. Because another 10, 20,000 a year, I mean, this person could grow your business by millions. Are you kidding me? Don't get cheap on me here, man, So sometimes you have those conversations too.
There's a young lady I placed a couple of years ago, and she's phenomenal. And she's so entrepreneurial and so energetic. And she wants to take it one more level. And you're talking to companies, you're saying, look, think about her in the aggregate.
Yeah.
Don't think about her with regards to a position you have now. Think about the talent that she brings to your team. And the minute somebody does that, boom, she'll change their business.